With cases of measles on the rise in the United States. In addition to the outbreak in Texas, there is one confirmed case in South Florida.
Tonight, WESH 2's Justin Shecker is taking a closer look at the vaccination rates here in Central Florida.
Vaccination rates for kindergarten students here in Central Florida have declined in recent years. According to state data, Orange and its surrounding counties are below the CDC's recommended coverage of 95%. Measles is a highly contagious viral infection that hospitalized 48,000 people a year, according to the CDC, before the introduction of the vaccine to the public in 1963.
The shots of MMR for the measles, mumps, and rubella have actually shown very strong efficacy in preventing people from getting measles.
25 years ago, U.S. health officials declared that measles was eradicated due to a highly effective vaccination program. Dr. Rajiv Bal is a local emergency medicine physician.
And right now we're starting to see a little uptick in this in people who are unvaccinated or who actually received an incomplete vaccination dosage.
The CDC is reporting 222 cases of measles this year as of March 6th, including the one confirmed case of a high school student in South Florida. 94% of those patients were unvaccinated, or it's unknown if they got the MMR shots. This chart from the Florida Department of Health shows the Orange County immunization rate for children in kindergarten, which includes the two-shot vaccine against measles, has declined since 2015 to 87.3% in 2023. Osceola County has the lowest immunization rate in Central Florida at 86.9%. Across Central Florida, nearly every county is below the statewide rate of 90.6%, with the exceptions being Marion and Sumter counties.
As a healthcare provider myself, and also my wife as well, we believe in the vaccines, and we've actually provided it to both of our kids. And so we always say is that if it's safe for us, it should be safe for the general public as well.
What about adults? We asked Dr. Ball whether they should consider getting an MMR booster shot.
If you received both of your vaccines as a child, that should protect you into the future as well. However, if you have concerns, if you're immunocompromised, if you are in an environment where you are going to be dealing with this virus head on, it could be something to discuss with your healthcare provider.
And so far, none of the Central Florida health departments nor our local hospitals have confirmed any cases of measles. Tomorrow, the CDC is expected to provide an update on cases nationwide. Covering Orange County in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.